The gabi.
Ano mo sabi nyo kay kuya nyo, pauwi na siya, Nal. Ano? Sige.
Go home! Go back to Navy or whatever. Stop calling me fat ass, you fat ass.
Hindi, darating na nga siya sa ano eh.
Yeah, that's what
Sa
you should
Friday.
Soon.
Ikaw, Loy, anong sasabihin mo kay kuya mo?
Nothing.
Bakit nothing?
Cause yes.
Never mind.
Sige, sabihin mo.
Never mind.
Ano, dali. Ano sasabihin mo kay
No
kuya?
spoilers. No spoilers. I'm gonna say it when he's here.
Ano?
Stuff.
He's probably gonna tell him, oh yeah, I got AIDS.
Dave.
Give me money.
Ano sabihin mo kay kuya mo?
Hi!
Ano, miss mo na siya?
Yes.
Darating siya Friday.
Crying when
Ha?
he left.
Oh, really? Nag-cry ka nung nag-left si kuya mo? Oh, sige. Excited ka na makita siya sa Friday?
Huh?
Excited ka na makita siya sa Friday?
Okay, so.
Okay yung dalawa.
Pedo bear.
Hey! Ano sabi mo?
Edit that.
I already said it.
No.
Ma.
No, edit the pedo bear.
Hi,
Of
Nat.
course.
We're very happy that you're going home.
Speak for yourself.
We are very happy. Not all of us.
Of course.
Only two. Oh, three. Papa.
Ano, Nal?
What?
Padala natin.
You know what?
Di, padala natin kay kuya mo. Sige na.
Wait. What do you have to say? Stop! What do you have to say, Pa?
Miss you.
Not.
Hey, do Justin Bieber here. Justin Bieber here.
Wala na. Yeah. Love you, Kel.
From the Christmas tree. Light it up.
Christmas tree ni...
Wait.
Oh, sige. Wala pang star. Hinihintay kang mag-ano ng star. Yes.